Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by stopping the freeze fast. Force close the browser process, not just the window, so resources reset. Once done, relaunch in safe or incognito mode to test without extensions. Make sure to disable all add-ons before opening heavy sites. A single extension can block rendering. If you need to preserve tabs, use the restore feature after a clean restart. This first action identifies whether the problem is session data, an extension, or a temporary resource overload. Next, you dig into the browser internals. Update to the latest version so known bugs are patched. If updating doesn't help, create a new profile and open the same pages. That isolates corrupted settings or stray preferences. Reset experimental flags and revert custom privacy or security tweaks because aggressive settings can block core processes. If you use hardware acceleration, toggle it off to see if GPU rendering is causing the hang. These steps narrow down whether the issue is software, profile. Finally, you complete the repair by verifying the system. Run a malware scan and monitor CPU, RAM, and disk activity. Background programs can freeze any browser. If problems persist, export bookmarks and settings, then reinstall or try a different browser to confirm it's not a system conflict. Make sure to restore only clean profiles. If reinstalling fails, use System Restore or driver updates for GPU and network chips. Troubleshooting tip: if the issue returns, test with a clean OS user account to isolate.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.